Hey everyone, welcome back to Recipes and Life. So, this is a travel vlog and we will be visiting Azerbaijan. This is also called as Eurasian country since it is between Eastern Europe and Western Asia. So, come on, let's begin our trip. So, as you all know, we stay in Dubai. So, our journey started early morning from Dubai by car till Abu Dhabi since our flight was from Abu Dhabi. The distance between Dubai to Abu Dhabi is around 140 kilometers and it takes roughly around 1.5 hours or lesser than that. It depends on your speed. But yes, you need to maintain a speed once you are in Abu Dhabi. Dubai, we do have that 20 plus speed limit, but then in Dubai, if it says 120 or 140, you have to maintain the speed. Okay, so after having this beautiful ride, we are here at Abu Dhabi airport. So after coming here, we try to exchange some currency at airport, but as you all know, they don't give better rates. So we skipped this idea and we did exchange some money, but we did it at the Baku airport. So I will be showing you that ahead in the video. So keep watching. This is a beautiful Abu Dhabi airport, and you can see these are the lifts and the beautiful color screens were there. VAT refund, washrooms. Then, if you want to wrap your bags with the plastic, that service was also there. But it's much expensive at airports. So, if you want to wrap your bags, I would suggest take a wrapping sheet from day to day. If you want to save on your pockets in the starting of the journey, you can do that and just wrap it nicely, and then the work is done. So here we boarded our Air Arabia flight, and Simba is 3 years old now. So he had his special seat and he was super excited. So when you have a toddler with you, I would like to share this with you all that you need to carry something so that the toddler keeps busy, like a lollipop or juice or water or a milk bottle is also fine. You have to give it to them while the flight is taking off or while landing, because there is an altitude change, right? So at times they experience ear pain and it is really disturbing for them, and they tend to cry a lot. So yeah, this is a trick you can follow in your next flight. So here, this is a UAE view you can see from the flight. It was beautiful, and yeah, it was cloudy, and yeah, we just loved the view. And guys, do you know that in mid flight, the sweetest surprise was that the amazing crew celebrated Mother's Day? Even I was not aware. And with a thoughtful card and a beautiful rose. Such a beautiful gesture, right? It just made my day, and the beginning of the journey was really awesome. So, overall, it is like, I do believe that if you start in a positive note, the journey actually becomes a very happy and a joyful journey. And that was the case with us. So, celebrating Mother's Day in the sky was altogether a different experience. So, thank you, Air Arabia, for making my day so special. Thank you so much. After landing Baku, this is airport. Now, it was really nice. Didn't really experience much difference from Abu Dhabi or Dubai airport, and we were super excited. You can see the excitement over here. And yeah, the weather was yet to be felt. We will be going outside, and I'll tell you how did we feel that. And we were happy to land here. It was not much crowded since the Nowruz holidays were there. Even the staff had holidays, so the crowd was not much, and it was really a blessing for us, we felt. This is the exchange. We got 1.65 USD exchange rate on airport, Baku airport. So we did around 100 USD exchange on here, because you need some cash to pay the drivers just in case the card doesn't work. It is always better to carry some cash. And yes, you do not carry INR, that is Indian rupees, or your dirhams if you are staying in UAE, because it is difficult to exchange that money. It is better to carry USD, as USD is exchanged all over the world in easily, it is an easy transaction. Yeah, so that is another trick. And after coming out from this beautiful airport. And this is a Nowruz, just like how we have Ghat in Maharashtra. That Navratri we do put some seeds and we grow the seeds, right? So that is a similar tradition for Nowruz over here, and we experience that beautiful tradition over here. No matter where you are in the world, we are connected to each other. So yes, so this is the outside view and it was so cool. I'm literally cold and very fresh air. We just loved it. Baku International Airport is also called as Hyder Ali International Airport, and it has a beautiful interior and exterior which is made of swooping glass and steel structure. It provides a luxurious and welcoming experience for you all. And the one on the right you can see is a domestic airport. So this is the entrance, and when you come out of it, you can see these red taxis. This is a local taxi, and these are the local buses which transfers from airport to city. City is Nizami Street. This is the heart of Baku. You will find everything over here, like a SIM card, exchange, sightseeing, taxis, everything. So okay, so we hired a Bolt taxi. So guys, if you're coming here, there are three taxis available which have good services like Yango, Bolt, and Uber. So we preferred Bolt because it was really good. The app is quite friendly, and it arrived within no time. The service is pretty good, we felt, and the rates were also very nice. So after coming out of the airport, you need to pay some exit fee over here, and the driver paid. You don't have to pay any fees other than your taxi charges. So from airport to our hotel, which was in Nizami Street for us, I misread it and I felt it was on Nizami Street, but this is the other street called as Nizami Street. So there we are at our hotel. This is a GM City Hotel. It is amazing. The room was so big and we were very happy with the service. So let me tell you, the fare was around 8 manats. So you can convert it to AED. It is 2.25 multiplied by 8. That will give you AED. And it was 8 manat for us from airport to GM City Hotel, and the ride was very nice. And these are beautiful taxis and the driver too, but do talk to them before starting your ride. It is always better to confirm your fare instead of any chaos happening at later, because they tend to overcharge you or they ask you to pay extra. So you don't have to pay any extra charges for the exit fees from the airport or any charges. Just pay what is showed on the Bolt app. So, as I told you, this is GM City Hotel located on Nizami Street, and it is around 5 kilometers from Nizami Street. So, it is a bit far. And yeah, so we were allotted room on the top floor. When you are here, this is another thing I would like to tell you, that take your room on the toppest floor because you will get an amazing view. I will show you. This was a twin room which we took, and yeah, the facilities are really good compared to the five-star hotel. And look at this. This is a view which we get, and these are the sheer curtains. I'll show you later. And the view is just like, if you feel like you are in UK. Most of the structures built here in Azerbaijan or Baku are similar to UK structures. Yeah, so this is a washroom. We had this one common washroom for the two rooms, and this is a master bedroom, and it was so big and spacious, and the view was awesome, and yeah, everything was so good. And our hotel, it included breakfast. So if you have kids, do try to book your hotels which has breakfast included, so that it is hassle free. Otherwise you have to keep on searching or ordering food in the mornings. So always book a hotel with breakfast. So this is Nizami Street. So after taking some rest and freshening up, we came here to exchange more currency since we needed more. Go here and there shopping, and then food, then other expenses. So we came to this bank. It was about to close since it was holidays, but we luckily found the bank, and we exchanged some dollars here to Manat currency, and the rate given was 1.67. So this was much better rate compared to airport. So when you're on airport, you exchange lesser amount, say 50 USD or 100 USD, and then more you can exchange over here. So after money exchange, we went to get a SIM card since it was very much needed, and we went to the local shop. Our driver took us over here, and this is a scam, guys, so don't fall for it. These local shops will overcharge you, and then you have to bargain literally to 50-60% and bring down the price. So it is better to go to this SIM card providers. There are two, Azercell and Baku Cell. So Azercell has better network over here, so we also took it from the local shop. Plan we took was Azercell. We took 3 GB 1 month plan for around 20 manats, and it is quite sufficient. If you think 3 GB is less, so no, not at all. You don't use it much, and it is sufficient for 7 days time. And then we spent this beautiful night at Nizami Street, had some dinner, stroll around the street, and it was drizzling a bit. And in this cold weather, in these lights, it is a beautiful destination, guys. Let me once again stress on this point. It is a beautiful and economical place to come around with your family and spend some time together. So in the next video, I'll be explaining you how did we plan our trip ahead. We went here for 6 days, and it was a very relaxing trip. We enjoyed most of the spots. Yeah, it was really good since we planned it really well. And yes, the weather was also on our side. Luckily, we experienced snow, rain, sunny side, and yeah, all the weathers, I would say. And it was a beautiful trip. I will be sharing with you all the details as much as possible, so that you can plan your trip ahead in a better way. So stick around, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and give a thumbs up if you are liking the videos and got some information through it. Thank you.